Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a turkey fan and wing mount. Start by laying out all materials on a clean work surface and inspect feathers for damage. Measure and mark the board for placement using the fan center as your guide. Secure the fan with small nails or stitching, then attach wings symmetrically using pins or glue. Finish with a protective sealant and allow proper drying time before display. Start by arranging the tools so your workflow stays smooth and relaxed. Use a board sized for the fan and gather pins or archival glue for secure attachment. Measure and mark center lines to keep symmetry and avoid mistakes. Keep scissors and extra pins nearby and use clamps to hold pieces while glue sets. Finish with a sealant to protect feathers from dust and humidity for a long-lasting display. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is perfect for cleaning sawdust, feathers, and glue drips with voice control and smart mapping. It makes cleanup almost fun and saves time for more crafting. Check the description for the link and deals, and if you want to laugh, it may complain if you call it messy. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by dry fitting the fan and wings to find the best visual balance before fastening. Attach the fan base with small nails or stitching at the center, then align each wing and secure them symmetrically. Use gentle pressure and avoid overdriving pins to prevent feather damage. Clean up loose fibers and apply a thin layer of sealant around attachment points. Allow the mount to cure thoroughly before moving to display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.